Hello everyone. So in this video, I want to demonstrate a website that we have cloned in last 4 days. This website is related to the rental services. This website is clone of rent market, RentoMojo. So our website name is Rento Market. So we create this website in last 4 days. So you can see here and go through it. I provide the link in description and also source code. So first of all, we are talking about the navbar. There are many sections. First of all, you can see here the one logo of the website. After that, you can select any city from here. If you wanna select Gurgaon, then you can see here the name of the Gurgaon is at the top of the navbar. After that, you can search any product. I come on it after demonstrate the landing page of the website. So after it, there are a functionality of the cart page and there are login and sign up button. So now you can see here one carousel, and after it there are packages, furniture, appliances, electronics, and fitness, work from home essentials. So there are some product that Rento Market provide for the rent. So there are some testimonials you can see here. After it, a footer section of this website, and after it, some social media handles. So this is all about the landing page of the website. So you can, first of all, if you are a customer, then you can log in. On clicking on login, then log out successful. When I click on login, there are two sections. You are customer, then you can log in from your number. And if you are the admin of this page, then you can add the product, update the product, and remove the product also. So first of all, I start from the customer. So enter any number 9898989898. Okay. So after it, enter my name. After that, I enter the OTP. So I click on the continue button. You can see here login successful and my name is at the top of the right corner. You can see here. So I login successfully. So if you want to search any product, so let's say search bed. So you can see here the many products related to the category of beds in front of you. You can click on any one to view the product. There are some functionality that I provide in sorting, searching, and filtering. So you can choose the tenure of your product. After that, you can sort by some categories. Like if I click on the sofa, then you can see here all items of the related to the sofa category in front of you. So these all buttons are in working condition. You can click on any one. So I click on sofa and you can see here I click on the quick view of any product. So after that you can see here another page is open and our product image is now clearly visible, and the product description is also available of particular product. You can increase the tenure of the product from the sliding this button. So you can see here the price is changed according to the sliding button. So after it, you can add to cart. So you can see here, congratulations, product is added to cart. A pop-up is shown here. So after that, I click on the cart button. Then our product is here. You can simply click on checkout. If you want to remove, then you can remove also. Then our product is empty. Then you click on the browser catalog if you want to shopping. So if you want to buy any electronic items, so you can also click on appliances here. So when you click on this, there are some more sections like refrigerators, televisions, washing machines. So I click on washing machine. So you can see here many products are also available on this page. When I click on quick view, so the same page is open and again I click on the add to cart. So after that, our product is, I think, added to cart. So I click on it. So you can see here the rental amount of the product in front of you. If you add more product, you can do this again. So if I click on checkout, then we redirect to the checkout page. Then enter some details, like I enter some dummy details here for the further. So number is so long, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, so address, anything. So I click on alternative number. This is optional. After that, you can enter payment details. Like I enter some, what is this, is the account holder name. So I enter my name. After that, I enter 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 15 14 16. So after that, I enter CVV, expiry date, and so this is simple page. After submitting, you are redirect to the ordering process. So we are talking about another page. So I go to the home page, and you can see here there are a button for the selection of the location. So if you want to see the map location of our area nearby you, so you can click on the map also. So there are two options. You can choose the city, and you can select your state. So first of all, I click on the state, then a map is open. So I using in this Google API for the mapping. So after that, you can adjust your map to click on this button, and you can click on any city. Like when I open Delhi, then click on any rento market, then a pop-up is shown, hey, wanna visit rento market in Noida. So this is all about the mapping. And after that, you can also select from the cities. If I enter like Delhi, then the different section, you can also find out the particular location of the two areas. Like I enter here Rohini, so I searching my distance between the rento market store. So you can see here the particular distance between the two locations. So this is all about the location. So now we are talking about admin side. So I click on this. So you can see here there are a admin button. When I click on a admin button, so you can enter your unique ID if you are admin. So I enter my ID. After that, I enter my name. So after it, I enter a password, like password 1234. So you can see here successfully login to the admin page. So you can enter the product details here. For when you add any product in the site, then the product is shown on the page of our website. So I copy some image link. So I copy and paste. So image link is this, and title like earphone, price I enter 457, rental amount 30, and brand like I enter boat, and brand ID. The brand ID is important because we use the CRUD operations on this site, and this all depend upon the brand ID. So I click on, there are two buttons, publish on website and view published data on the website. When I click on the publish on website, then product is added to the main page. Okay. And after that, if you want to see the product, then you can click here, or product is added to our web page, and you can see here different, like titles, price, and rental amount. If you want to edit it, so you can simple click on edit button, and wanna edit, update. So we enter, I think, 3. So I click on this, and we again enter the different image, and we can see the change after it. We use the CRUD operation for it. So I enter product like anyone. Like this is section for the title. earbuds. Okay, so after that, price 488, rental amount 40, and the brand name, like I enter bought. So I submitted, and product update successfully. So view product on the website. So you can see here now our product is updated. Oh, sorry. So our brand ID is 4. I enter the 3. So it's my mistake. So I again enter, like I enter 4 and image, and I click on like submit. Then you can see here the changes. You can see here the product image is changes and other details are remaining same. So this is happening with the CRUD operations. So this all about the functionality of this website that I cover in this video. So you can go through it and you can find out the code in GitHub. So now we're talking about the source code of our website. So you can see here defining weather. So this is the source code of our website. You can go through it. We using the fetching. Uh, we use the database like alldata.json. We create alldata.json for the fetching the data from here and display rendering on the page. And we use the CRUD operations on it in admin side. And after it, there are some functionality. I can show you admin side page, like index page, and there are searching, sorting, and filtering functionality is present here. So you can go through it. And if you have any doubt, then you can type on comments and also message me on Instagram. So you can also follow the GitHub account. So that's all about our website. तो मिलते हैं दोस्तों किसी न्यू वीडियो में. तो तब तक के लिए बाय. थैंक यू सो मच.